Welcome to Hi Stylin, where I deconstruct outfits I made after eating gummies and turn them into wearable looks. Season 8 is brought to you by Wyld Edibles, as always, not sponsored. Hi freaks, welcome back to Hi Stylin. We're kind of at a turning point with season 8 because this is the season where I started using the GetWardrobe app instead of the Smart Closet app because Smart Closet made a horrible update that made the app basically worthless. And this season is from winter of 2023, and last season was summer, so we skipped fall somehow. I don't know if it got lost in the shuffle or if we just didn't do fall. I don't know what happened, but we're just gonna skip to winter, and it doesn't matter anyway. Let's see the first outfit from the new app. And we have background colors now, so that's gonna be fun from now on. And this one looks really simple. I like the mixed patterns, that's always fun. But then the shoes are earrings, so not sure how we're gonna swing that. It's a very sweater heavy look, sweater on top, sweater as a skirt. Is that another sweater under the top sweater? Hold on a minute. So if I edit, it changes. What? Let me save it. No, it won't save. Okay, well, I found a bug in the new app too. That's so weird. I kind of like it better without three sweaters, but somehow we're gonna put this teeny sweater over this other sweater. Let's figure it out. I don't know, Jaime. I could really use a belt with this. Was this the idea? It's weirdly comfortable. Besides the fact that it's about to fall down. Oh, this is so much sweater. No wonder it's so comfortable. I feel a little called out that I own two different blue floral sweaters, but hey, I know what I like. And yes, we're doing goblets as shoes because I think this is the closest thing I had. Oh yeah, the bag. I do like how the metallic contrasts with the floral. I think that's really nice. And I also like the contrast of the goblets, not that we're going to keep those. I'll probably just put on the actual earrings in my ears and then stop wearing my sweater as a skirt or pants. I guess I made it pants. That wasn't exactly accurate, but I think it's better this way. Yeah, I'll start there and see how far we get. These would actually make some pretty legit harem pants with just a few adjustments, you know? But we were trying to make a skirt. Normally, when Jaime has me wear something wrong, I just put it on correctly, but I'm already layering two sweaters. I can't wear three sweaters. So I think we're just gonna lose this big black and white stripe because I don't have anything like this for a bottom. But I found some other options. So, option one, replace the metallic bag with a metallic skirt instead. Option two, this smaller print black and white skirt, but it's kind of a pencil skirt, which doesn't really feel like the vibe. Option three, this big poofy white skirt. I kind of want to start with this one because it seems like the best replacement somehow. Well, I don't know. That's a lot of white. I wonder if I can like make stripes somehow. Hmm. And we're not really going to wear our sweaters layered, are we? Maybe we are. I actually like it. It felt so awful getting it on, but now it doesn't really feel bunchy at all. I kind of like the florals together. I think we should try a different skirt though. It just seems a little too poofy, especially with this over it. I mean, color-wise, this is the closest match. I don't know. I don't love it. Ooh, okay, I kind of like this. I thought I was gonna go with the big poofy white one, but I think I like that one the least actually. I think we need to find some shoes, and then I really don't like what these necklines are doing up here, so maybe like a scarf. Okay, that's better, I think. And since I don't have bright blue shoes, I thought we could get away with bright purple instead, even though it doesn't match anything. And I like the purple, I don't think it's a problem. But with all these patterns and stuff now, it just feels like too mismatched, which I like, but in the interest of being more wearable, maybe we try tucking in the first sweater and just have the sleeves. I don't know, it still feels a little too mismatched, even for me. Maybe we do go back to the black and white skirt, after all. Yeah, I think with the black and white with the other black and white, and then the blue floral with the blue floral, and then purple and metallic, it's not too much. It matches itself enough that the oddball things kind of don't stick out as much. I think this is good. And with this version, I like the other sweater hanging down because I think it just creates like a different look with this skirt that is better. So it doesn't have the kind of poofy skirt vibe of the original look, but I think I'm gonna stick with this. Oh, and I also just tucked the hem of the top sweater underneath because I just think it looks better that way. So thanks, Jaime. I would never have layered these sweaters. I didn't think I was gonna keep both of them, but I kind of I kind of like it. Where would I wear this? I would wear this to go water tasting, which is a real thing. Let me know who you think won this look, regular me or Jaime, and thanks for watching. Come back next week for Jaime's all white, well, mostly white look.